Okay, CSF4203, chapter 15, week 5. We are going to learn about switching networks, circuit switching and packet switching. And they are needed when we want to transmit data beyond a local area network for long distance. We need to decide. And it is achieved by transmitting data from source to destination through a network of intermediate switching nodes. That's why we call it switching network. Okay? So we have two types, circuit and packet. We'll see the video at the end. This is a switching network. You see the switching intermediate here in the middle. You have source and you have destination. Circuit switching is the old one, the old technology, the first technology. It is communication via circuit switching. So you have a dedicated communication between sender and receiver. So when you have dedicated, then nobody else can use the link, only them. Path is a connected sequence of links between network nodes. On each physical link, a channel is dedicated to the connection. That's what I have just mentioned. Most common example is the telephony network. Telephony network, telephony network is an example of circuit switching network. Okay. The basic operation of circuit switching is three phases. First, circuit establishment. So you will establish the circuit. Then you start transferring, data transfer. And then when you are done, you need to disconnect because you cannot keep the line engaged so that someone else can use it. The best example of circuit switching is, as I mentioned now, the public telephone network. Okay. It is a collection of national networks interconnected to form the international service. So each country, they have their PSTN. They communicate with each other. It is also can be used in private networks, such as in large organizations. They have budget. They can build their own circuit switching network to interconnect its various sites using dedicated leased line obtained from a carrier. But this is in the old days. Now most people, they switch to the new technologies. Circuit switching was developed to handle voice traffic, but it became used for data as well. Any questions? No. This is an example here. This is the dialer or the sender, and this is the receiver. See, you have the connection, end office, long distance office, long distance office, end office, and then digital PBX and the telephone. We will have some definitions here. Subscriber is the device that attached to the network, and we can say like the user in network. But we call it subscriber in telecom. Subscriber line is the link between the subscriber and the network. Some people, they call it subscriber loop or local loop. Don't forget that, please. Exchanges, they are the switching centers in the network. A switching central that directly supports subscriber is known as end office. Remember here? Yes. This is the end office because it's a switching that is near the subscriber. Here, near the subscriber, it's called end office.
So the telephone considered as a subscriber?
Yes. Trunks. Trunk is the branch between exchanges. Also referred to as carrier system. Where is the trunk here? Here. Yeah, here. Yeah. The trunk. The branches between exchanges. also referred to as carrier system. You have to know the definition, please. Circuit establishment. Subscribers connect directly to an end office, which switches traffic between subscribers and other exchanges. We already mentioned that. If we look here, figure 15.3, a connection is established between line C and one channel on a TDM trunk to the intermediate switch, which connects that channel to a channel on TDM trunk to the end office. Okay, here. So here we have A connecting to B. If A wants to connect long distance, it has to go through the intermediate exchange, through the trunk to the end office, and then to D. Understood?
Yes.
Same thing, if I want to go A to C, I will go here internally. All right? Control signaling. Because I have this system, it needs some control. The signals need to be controlled. So by definition, it is the means by which the network is managed. Can you please close this? It's causing reflection. Thank you. عشان اللايت causing. Okay. So control signaling is managed by the switch by which calls are established, maintained, and terminated by the control signal. This is provided by the telecom company, like what we have here. You have some telecom companies, they have control signaling system. How do you know the line is busy? How do you know it's engaged? Both call management and overall network management require that information be exchanged between subscriber and switch. Okay? And this is happening among switches and between switch and network management center. The network management center is at the telecom company. For large public telecommunication network, you will need also a complex, advanced control signaling scheme, of course, to manage billing also, right? Okay, that's why I said you download or you open PowerPoint from your machine, because here you will see that it's not really very clear. I don't know why it's not shown, not coming clear here. Okay. Yeah, still not clear.